Okay guys, part 3 is here. So, you guys know how in the last video, if you haven't watched part 1 or part 2, don't worry, I'll just leave a link to part 2 and then part 2 will leave a link to part 1. If you have a YouTube account and you like other of my videos, please like those videos that you like. If you like all of my videos, then hit that like button, make it turn blue. And if you do, or if you can't watch every single one of my videos, that is fine. If you don't have if you're not logged into YouTube, it's fine. But still, I'm fine with this, guys. But hey, I gotta have something. So, the thing is, I'm not on kids yet, so, nah. Screw you, kids, so stupid and dumb. Anyway, but, I'm just gonna tell you guys something. All my other videos have been streamed on a computer, but now I'm streaming on my phone. In fact, some of my videos, I'll leave a link to one of them. Actually, include my phone in it. Why am I doing this? Oh, so I can open my eyes right. Okay, wait, I'm getting off the point. Okay. So... why can't I? Okay, so whenever you're cutting your cards, don't just cut it really quickly, like just try to get it done quicker because you're running out of time of bedtime. It's okay. Set them on the counter. Wait until you wake up next morning and you find some time. You don't have time tomorrow. Keep doing this until you do find time. When you do find time, do not cut extremely fast. Just cut carefully and slow. It's okay to cut like this. But no, do not cut like no, that's just dumb. Plain dumb. But if there's extra out of the edges of the cars whenever you're done cutting all of those things after you printed them. You guys like that? If you guys like that, please leave a comment and like the comment of mine or my hair's bushy. Also, I'm growing my hair out for lots of love. In case you don't know what I get my hair wet. Okay, but in case you don't know what that is, lots of love is where people grow their hair out long, just so people, and then they put rubber bands on a strip of hair, and then people cut it, and they're actually going to make wigs out of them for people with cancer, people who are ill and need a wig. So I'm doing that, but the thing is, I'm not really up to like my waist or knee. So if I look like a girl in my videos, don't go complaining in the comments. Especially after I just swam in the pool. And don't make my friend don't make fun of me at school. If you live where I live and go to the same freaking school I do. Okay, but do not just take that big stack of yours and oh yeah. But if there's extra left on the card that where you accidentally made a mistake cutting, do not just take your stack of cards and no, it's fine the way it is. It's absolutely fine. As long as it still has the card details. And also, I'm going to take out a Yu-Gi-Oh card to have an example. But this card is like this. And like this on the back. So the thing is, you want to not just make this and then make this and blank. No, you gotta make a detail for your cards. I was making a card game the other day. Simple from scratch. Comment hashtag from scratch. Comment hashtag Yu-Gi-Oh! Then comment hashtag Yu-Gi-Oh! Hashtag scratch. Hashtag cards. If this helped you. This really helped you. If my playlist helped you. Mix. Oh, Lord. But anyway. But just leave it alone and follow the instructions. If this entertains you, I'm so glad. If you subscribe, I will be glad. Also, for this video, I'm actually going to do a poll. Okay, so if I hit 100 likes for this video, then I will make a video of me going crazy and being dumb. Okay? So, I'm Landon, and I'll see you guys in the next vid.